Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kim, America's Holistic Foot Doctor. In this video, you meet my patient who has a recurrent ingrown nail with blood underneath it. Let's see how I can remove this very deep, blooded, infected ingrown nail. You got like a hematoma here, but he has no pain here, so I think maybe the blood came from here, but he either kicked something or stepped on something that might have triggered this ingrown nail, but he doesn't remember, right? You don't remember, right, Richard? Okay, so he's a pretty tough guy. He doesn't feel a lot of pain or problems, right? So it's hard to tell where it came from, but he's definitely got infection going on, and then this thing's really deep here. Oh,
What's a hematoma?
Hematoma is like a blood, like a pool of blood in certain area, usually from some kind of a trauma, and the blood doesn't know where to go, so it kind of pulls on a certain area, you know. But your nail is really ingrown here, so I told him this is second time that this has happened, right? So I think the chance of this happening is pretty high. So after this infection goes away, the next few months we have to do a permanent procedure to get rid of this problem for good, because it keeps coming back and causing problem for him. So okay, so that's what we're gonna do. But this must be pretty painful for you to get here, because you're a pretty tough guy. You don't come for nothing, right? You just right? Not many things bother you, right? I can tell. Hi, it's me again. Hope you've been enjoying this video so far. If you have, leave the word blooded ingrown in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It did hurt too, but not like this, huh? Something happened here. You did something. But you don't remember, so there you have it. All right? So we'll see what comes out of here. Look at this now, huh? Look how much that was in there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a big piece, as you can see. It's all underneath there, so you see all that was on that corner. And then we're gonna clean out this area a little bit just to make sure nothing's in there anymore, right? So when you soak it, all this blood will go out of the area, so we're not too concerned about this blood there, but there's a lot of blood that's pulled in this area. So I'm cleaning up a little bit over here too. So okay, it looks pretty clean now, okay? So we soak it and then we'll take care of it, and that's all we need to do, okay? Thank you for allowing us to film you today, Richard. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see in this video, sometimes the infected ingrown nail may be caused by trauma. And trauma can cause blood underneath the nail. This can make fungus condition and other bad condition afterward. Until then, be educated, get empowered, encourage others today.